just gonna give y'all some visuals today, man. I've got 3 cameras rolling. Cameras outside, camera right there, there's a camera behind me. Let's go. So ideally, I would much rather do this video at night. It's daytime. Let's cut these lights on, man. Sit back and enjoy, y'all. To all my first-time viewers, welcome to the channel. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Let's roll. I can't wait to give y'all some night content, man. It's gonna be fire. But your boy put in some work, man. And I'm loving these lights, man. And shout out to my sponsors. Shout out to Raney's for sponsoring me these lights, man. Greatly appreciate it. Gotta make a pit stop and get some fuel. There's a brand new truck stop a couple miles in front of me. Brand new quick trip, so I'm gonna stop and get me some fuel. I'm good on the reefer, but I'm low on the tractor. And to all my Europeans, this is what we call a tractor. Semi-truck. But I'll just sit back and enjoy, y'all. Today I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking. I'm just gonna let the truck do the talking today. I'm just gonna give y'all some visuals today, man. I've got 3 cameras rolling. Cameras outside. Camera right there. There's a camera behind me. Let's go. my drive for a minute, but I'm getting it back. So YouTube can beat me up, man. But I'm getting my drive back. If y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna speak on it right now. Person's actually doing 63 and a 70 in the middle lane right now. Nice looking pickup truck right here though. Nice looking Chevy. Straight brake off. I'm about to pull in this truck stop right here. It's a brand new truck stop. I've never been here before. Well, I've been here in my car, but I've never been here in my truck. But I believe this is the entrance right here. I do keep it respectful, y'all, when it comes to the Jake brake and the truck stop. Residential zones, I do keep it respectful, man. You know, I'm up right now, but there are plenty of drivers sleeping right now. Because I'm up, doesn't mean they want to be up, you know. Pump number 5, y'all. I'm pretty sure fuel's gonna be a lot cheaper in South Carolina, but I'm running low right now. And once I'm rolling, I just want to keep it pushing because I am cutting it close to my delivery appointment. Let me grab this EFS. I got some money on this EFS check, so I'm gonna use it. So to all my non-truckers out there, you know, sometimes these brokers, they pay us with a money code. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna fill out this check. I'm gonna put the money code on this check. Once I go inside, they're gonna run it through their system, and whatever I put on this check, you know, I'm gonna be covered. I'm gonna be good. I believe I got about $700 on this EFS. It was a little more, but I used some of it. Pen's actually right here, and my phone. Let's see, this money code is here it is right here. So I'm not going to use it all. I'll probably use about $300. That's it. What's today's date? Today is the 24th. Today's actually my mother's birthday, man. I gotta give my mother a phone call and bless her on her birthday. And today's actually the day my father passed away. Let's see, 37 years ago? Yeah, on my mother's birthday. So it's bittersweet. It's a day of celebration, but it's also a day of remembrance. Yeah, I'm gonna do a 300. What I like about this lane that I'm running, this load right here, I put 300 in my tank right now, and that's enough for 2 trips. Alright, I'm gonna get some fuel, and I'll be back, y'all. I'm not gonna bring the cameras inside, so I'll be back in a minute.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, y'all, just finished up, got my paperwork, about to head back to Charlotte. Y'all know the drill, man. Until the next one, I'm out of here. Peace out, y'all. I told y'all, I'm trying to keep these videos short and spicy. That's what I did today, short and spicy. Catch y'all on the next one. Ditch right here. What's happening? How you been? Have a good weekend.